Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today we're at the airport about to go on an epic journey. Stick around. Hi guys, so here's the situation. You get a message on Instagram, somebody says, hey, I got an old Triumph, are you interested? They send you pictures and you say, why not? You make a journey across America, all the way from Florida, matter of fact, right in the middle of a hurricane, just to make your way to go save this old Triumph from the hands of somebody that's probably gonna end up chopping it. So that's what we're doing. Jumped on the next flight, heading out. It's gonna be a long journey. Pick up the bike. Hopefully it's everything that I seen in the pictures, load it up in a bike, and then we're gonna be heading back all the way across America, driving to get this thing back to Weems Motor Co. So join us on the journey of saving yet another Triumph motorcycle. First stop, Dallas. Hi folks, made it out to Dallas. I'm gonna have a little layover here, so I'm gonna grab some lunch, fill up the tummy before we make that next leg into sunny California. Let's go get some food. Cheers and beers and stuff. All right, so here's the deal. You might be asking yourself, why would you go and buy a plane ticket to fly to the other side of the United States to buy a crusty old motorcycle? Well, this bike is one motorcycle that I've never had before. I've got a couple 1956 Triumphs, but I don't have a 1956 TR5 500cc Triumph. And this bike seems to be in all original condition, a few little modifications throughout the years, but I figure it would be best to save this motorcycle before somebody were to buy it and turn it into a chopper or molest it in some sort of way. So I said, hey, let's buy a plane ticket, let's fly out to California, let's buy this motorcycle and let's save it and get it back to Florida. Right in the middle of a hurricane, by the way. I guess I get out of the hurricane's way, but I'm gonna be missing all the hurricane parties, so that kind of sucks. But I think we'll make a good trip out of it. It'll be a good time. So the next part of this video should be us in California looking at an old crusty Triumph motorcycle. Stick around. So here we are in a secret location on the other side of America. Came all the way from Tampa to come check out this old 1956 Triumph TR5. Super excited about it. Matt, so really quickly, where'd you come across the bike?
I come across the bike, I am into Triumphs, and I found this bike. It was in a really old shop. They dragged it out. I guess it'd been sitting there for like more than, what, 20, 25 years, I guess? More
oh, wow.
That. Yeah, so dragged it out, found a lot of parts for it, and then I had it sitting in my shop for a while. I ended up calling Weems and I said, hey, you got any parts for these things? And he goes, instead of me selling you parts, how about I buy the bike, right?
Let me just help you.
So he destroyed my dream.
Oh, I'm a dream breaker. I think I was helping you a little bit because of all the struggle of trying to find these old parts for these Triumphs. So
yeah,
we're gonna get this thing back to Tampa. We got a long haul.
You guys do, man.
All the way back across America. Get this thing down to Tampa. Hopefully avoiding a hurricane as we go. Get it there and slowly restore this thing, because this bike deserves to be restored.
I can't wait to see what this guy does with his Triumphs. I mean, you've seen the other Triumphs that he's done, absolutely amazing. So great job.
I'm excited, Matt. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
You're welcome.
Guys, you got to check out what he does because there's some amazing cars here. Where do they find you online, man?
They find us at autoworksparts.com.
Autoworksparts.com.
Yep.
Link right down in the description below. Make sure you check him out. Check out all of his cool old Fords, because I'm a Ford guy at heart and I love what you're doing.
Yeah, Mustangs.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Awesome. Well, check them out, guys. We're going to get this bike loaded up. Well, good morning, everybody. Day 2 of adventure across America to pick up that sweet 1956 Triumph TR5. Didn't really talk about it last night, didn't have a whole lot of time, but here's a couple pieces of advice. When you're buying something sight unseen and from somebody you don't know, do your homework, do your research, try to find out as much information about the product you're buying, but also the person you're buying it from. Typically, I would never buy a motorcycle or anything at night. Safety precautions, and you can't see things on the thing you're buying, noticing like flaws or whatnot. But you guys know me. You know that this motorcycle is going to get every nut, bolt, washer, everything is going to be done on it. So I wasn't too concerned. I was more concerned of what pieces are there and what pieces are not there. So I went in with this plan to make sure that it was everything that I've seen in the pictures. Second part of the plan, don't go by yourself. If you noticed in that video, there was a guy in the background. He's a great friend of mine from right there in Tampa where I'm at. He said, hey, I've never been to California. Let's do this and let's road trip back across America. There's a couple places we want to see. So don't go by yourself. Make sure you do your research on the person and on the product, and then you could come home with something as cool as that. Now, we drove last night out of California and we're in Arizona right now, and both of us are really big fans of the movie Tombstone. So we're gonna make a stop at Tombstone, maybe catch that gunfight at the OK Corral. Stick around.
Kill him! They can pay for the way they've been treating us.
It's a bad idea. We should just clear out and go home.
Cowboys been looking for a fight? Now you can have it. Throw up your hands. We're here for your guns. No, that's not what I want. Get the fuck! Tom, no! Alright, Longer! You wanna play for blood?
I'm the Huckleberry.
Come on! Now I see you moving, boy. Give me that gun! Stay away and leave me be!
So Mr. Chuck,
How's it going?
150 some odd years ago, we were walking down the same streets as
Doc Holliday and Wyatt Earp. And
all the cool cowboys from back in the day. And we're fixing to go do something that they would do.
that's right.
We're gonna go grab a beer.
Grab a beer.
Grab a beer. Let's do it. Well, folks, that's gonna wrap up this video today.
Tombstone was amazing. We'll be back.
It was amazing. Flying to San Diego, picking up a motorcycle, driving across the country. We might hit up a few other things on the way back, but beers are definitely good. So if you ever in Tombstone, Arizona, definitely check out Tombstone Brewing Company. Amazing stuff, amazing products, amazing people, good times. That's going to wrap up this video today. Thank you guys for hanging out. If you are new around here, jump down, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here
In Tombstone, Arizona.
at Weems Motor Co. Peace!